Hi friends, it's Julia. Welcome to 31 Days of Scrapbooking in December, where I'm making a layout every single day and they are all Christmas themed. Today is day number 28. Woohoo! We're nearly done with the month. And I'm really enjoying all of these, creating all of these Christmas layouts, and I hope that they are inspiring you to get into your stash and to play with some of your stuff and create some layouts of your own, or cards, or whatever it is that you do as a hobby. Anyway, this sketch is a Laura Whitaker sketch, and it is for the Scrapping Around the Clock blogspot.com. And so you can see it is a 4-photo sketch, and I do have 4 photos. Wow! I laid everything out that I thought I might want to use. And I have my other 2 photos down here at the bottom. So I have 4 photos to use. I've got a couple of papers from... well, one is from Heidi Swapp, the other is from Cartabella. And then I have several scraps here from Echo Park, Cartabella, and from Felicity Jane. I also have a scrap from 100 bazillion years ago from Close to My Heart, as is this one. These papers, the gold ones, I don't know. The brown one is just a leftover cardstock. I want to say this one was maybe a basic gray. Maybe. I don't remember now. And then these were actually... I think it was a embossed chatterbox maybe. Anywho, so I pulled some stickers out, I pulled in some bows, and then I created this alpha. I took my silver alpha. I wanted something gold, but I still wanted it to sparkle, so I thought I'm going to just play around. So I put my date there first, and then I played around with this metallic folk art metallic gold paint that I had, and I just took a dauber. You can see just a makeup sponge dauber, and I stamped across the top. I just dabbed across to create a gold alphabet. The side is already white because it is a foam alphabet, but it still has a lot of the sparkle and shine of the glitter, but now it has some gold on it. So I like it a lot. I like that some of the silver kind of reflects through, so it's not completely coated. This is my mixed media, if you will. I don't think I'm going to do anything else as far as mixed media goes, but this was so fun to just try something different. Anyway, this is what I'm starting with. I have my 4 photos. Oh, and I pulled out one of these old K & Company Joy banners. They're acetate with a glitter word Joy on them. So they've been really fun. I've had them for years and years. So here's a reminder of my sketch. I still have tons of stuff around me to play with, so I'm going to see what I can create, and I will be back. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and I will be back. Okay friends, I'm done with day number 28. I have a few things left over. My little banner stickers here I did not use, the date I did not use, and one of the bows I did not use. But you can see, so this is Christmas, the title that I had created, I used that. I have a little bit of scrap paper. That was actually the branding strip from the Star paper, the Cartabella. And then a couple of pieces from the Felicity Jane, not Felicity Jane, Heidi Swapp paper. And then I also have this Joy banner. I didn't use it. The little ribbon left over that says Christmas, and then the 2 smaller chipboard pieces I did not use. But, and I put my date on there. There's my layout. Here is what I created. Now I did cut my photos down to 3x4, and I used an embellishment cluster here, here, and here. This one I kept super duper simple. I was going to add some sequins or something to give it a little bit more sparkle and shine, since these banner or circle pieces had metallic, and the the foiling in this red piece, but I opted not to. I felt like this title was enough bling. I might go back before I take pictures and add that on, but then again I might not. I might just leave it as it is and just continue to move forward. We're getting close to the end of the month, and I want to pull out some different stuff to work on. Not that I'm tired of Christmas, but maybe some different Christmas stuff to work with, just add into what I already have laid out, because I think I'm probably going to continue working on Christmas through January. But again, we'll have to wait and see, because I'm not quite sure right now. Even though we're getting super duper close, I have a lot of stuff on my plate that I want to work on, and you know, working full time just it doesn't allow me to do as much as I would like to do. So I have to pick and choose wisely. But this was super important to get these layouts done. I don't think I'm necessarily going to do a layout a day in January. Whatever I do, I'll share with you guys and let you know what's going on. Anyway, so this is the layout that I created. And I hope it inspires you to get into your stash and play around. Anyway, don't forget, I have a giveaway going on. It's a secret giveaway. You have to go back and find the correct video where I talk about it. And it will be completed on the 31st. So make sure you find that second giveaway video and leave a comment, as well as be subscribed to my channel, and leave a link there or leave a comment there on that video, and I will choose a winner from that, and then I will draw that name on the 31st. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this layout, and I will see y'all in the next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.